Hello and welcome to our first Dreamweaver website design project. In this series you'll learn how to build a complete website from start to finish using Dreamweaver CS6. You can use your own images and resources for this project, or if you prefer you can download all of the project files shown in these tutorials. You can also get the complete series manual in printed or ebook format along with the high definition video tutorials from wizibooks.com. In our last lesson, we put together that animation effect for the fading banner on the index.html page. And in this lesson, we'll be doing something very similar to that, but this time we're looking at the About page. And let's just go across and have a look at the finished web page. And there you can see we've got pretty much the same banner here. The only difference is that it's using different photos and the animation effect is slightly different. We've already entered the CSS when we worked on the index page and therefore linked to the same CSS file. We've also got the formatting that we applied to that banner on this one. So let's go back and find the photos that are going to go into this one. We'll open up the About HTML page. Again, we've got our links in this one to the JavaScript files that we're using. So we'll scroll down to the banner area. And here's the image that we put in to start with as our placeholder. We'll give ourselves a little bit of space underneath that. And we want 4 copies of this in all. So 2, 3, and 4. Now in our index page we used images banner 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in this one we're going to continue it with 5, 6, 7 and 8, and if we save that and we'll just have a quick preview, so we'll press F12. So here it is at the moment. No animation effect going on here yet because we haven't added that little snippet of code. So let's go back and do that now, and the easiest way of doing this is to actually open up the index.html page and scroll down and find that code. So there it is. We've got the comment for the start of the code and down here the comment for the end of the code. So I'm just going to copy that script and paste it into my About page. So we'll right click on that and copy, and we've finished with that, so we can close it down. Now this snippet of code, if you remember, needs to go into the head section. The only editable region in this file is underneath the link script that we put in earlier. So I'll just make a couple of lines of space and we'll paste the script in here just underneath this link. And there it is. We'll save that and we'll go and preview that. So here it is, and if we refresh this page the banner will start to fade. So we've now got 4 pictures in here that's doing exactly the same as our index page. Now the animation effect that we used on our finished version is slightly different to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Dreamweaver, and the section of script that we put in earlier comes with a few different transition effects. So you've got scroll up, shuffle, turn down, and you can experiment with these and see the different effects it has on the banner. We're currently using fade, so I'm going to change that, and the animation effect that I want is turn up. So I'll type that in. And what this does is it calls up the routine within the jQuery banner file that relates to that particular effect. So we've put turn up, and just notice there that I've put a capital U. You must put these in as they're listed within that banner JavaScript file. So I've changed it to turn up, and we'll save that. And we'll switch back to our preview and refresh. And we should see now that banner effect has been applied. And there it is. So we'll minimize that and go back to Dreamweaver. So as I say, have a little play. Try scroll up or turn down. All you need to do is type the name of that effect into here and preview it in your browser. If you found this series of videos helpful and you want to receive updates on video tutorials as they're released, why not subscribe to my channel? And don't forget to like and share it with your friends.